And the winners are... Hey everyone, I'm Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. Today is our giveaway video and Tim is finally going to grace us with his presence and he's going to explain the rules to the giveaway and how we're going to pick our winner today. So come on in, Tim.
All right, let me just focus. I'm Tim, if you guys don't know. I'm usually behind the camera and I do a lot of the editing and we do the work off camera. But today the video is inspired by Dude Perfect. They do this thing called Dizzy Sports. Basically what it is take a baseball bat and you spin around 15 times and then you try to do that activity, and the most yards at the end total, that person's gonna win. So the way we're gonna do it is there's numbers 1 through 29. Each number is associated with a name in the giveaway. I'll get a number, Chris will get a number, and then we'll be competing for that person to win the gold Ratchet, and the runner-up will win the light. So we're gonna start off with baseball, and we got a rangefinder to measure the yards. And for some reason, if it's negative yards, the rangefinder can't pick it up. We'll just use our feet. We both got size 12, and we'll just measure that way. But we're gonna start with baseball, and we hope you guys enjoy.
Go Team Chris!
I'm gonna win because this guy showed up in jeans.
All right guys, so how we're gonna do this to see which of us picks first is we're gonna flip a golf tee and the pointy side wins and gets to choose the name first. So Tim, go ahead and flip our golf tee.
I think it's that's you.
All right, so it's me. All right, so I'm gonna flip it up. Let's see, we're gonna go with this one right here. We have number 7. All right, Tim.
I got number 3.
All right, so I'm playing for 7.
The loser, and I'm playing for 3, the winner.
All right, let's go Team Chris.
All right, so the first one's Dizzy Baseball. We're gonna use a tee on this one, and we're gonna go down, spin around 15 times, and then we have to hit the ball right away. We can't stall. And we're gonna flip the tee again to see who goes first. All right, Chris is gonna go first. Here you go.
All right.
All right, 15 spins. Go. 1. And 15. Go. All right, come on. you gotta hit it. All right, we got some decent yards. We're like, oh, there it is, all the way down there. All right, so
I think I died.
Chris is gonna run over there and stand there so I can find exactly where it is with the rangefinder.
All right, while he's running over there, basically he's gonna stand where his ball is, and I'll use the rangefinder to get a good reading on him. And but you can get
Some out of bounds areas, so we got cones set up all around. So if it happens to be behind that cone, it's automatically disqualified yards. All right, his ball is all the way down there. So
we got 96.7 yards. All right, come on back.
All right, Team 3, let's do your 15. 1. And 15. All right, let's see this. And swing and a miss. Oh, I actually got that one pretty good. All right, let's see how Team 3 does. All right, way off to the right there, pal. I still think I got him because I wrecked that thing. All right, so let's turn it around and look at me rather than have to deal with him. Man, dude, wait, right? He can't find it. Man, that's tough though, 15 times around. All right, let's whip out the old rangefinder and see that he is at 53, or 59.4 yards. He can't hack it. I got the first challenge, but again, it's the total, so let's start round 2 with me, him spinning again. So let's see if he vomits, and let's pray that he does. So, all right guys, let's do this. All right, so it says Tim lost that round, which I have a feeling he's gonna do all day today. he's gonna have to go first again, so he's gonna spin around 15 times, and this time he's gonna pick up the tennis racket and try and hit the ball. So Tim, let's see that 15 spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, and 15. There you go. All right, let's do it. And he's dead. All right, go chase your ball. It's out by second base. Oh, well, unfortunately, he didn't break his leg on that one. I thought he was gonna, but... All right, guys, let's flip it around on me, and we're gonna talk about and see how far or close he is away. So, let me flip this around. And all right, what do we think? I'm thinking he's got like 30, 40 yards. Let's see this thing. All right, I got 48.3 yards, 48.3, and oh my goodness, he just threw like a little girl. So, all right, good job, Tim. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna beat you again. So let's do this.
All right, now Chris is gonna do his 15.
So, Tim, real quick, what? You just barely beat me now with 2 events for 1. So let's go team 7.
That's a good thing we got like 6 more. One more.
Okay.
All right, go.
All right, here. That's what I call home run.
Woo! This is hard, but the 15 spins really gets you, but I really thought we would be sucking a lot more. All right, so let's see where he is. $39.2. So I did 48.3, so I won that round. So we're gonna go right into the next one as quick as we can so he stays a little dizzy.
All right, so that round I lost. I still got the overall lead. So what we're gonna do is 15 spins, and this time I'm gonna attempt to kick this football, which this one might not go so hard, so let's do this.
All right, give it a punt. Punt it.
20 yards.
Leave it, you gotta bounce. All right, so the bounce gave him some extra yards, but let's see where he's at. Ooh, close. All right, so he got it to 27.5. Hopefully I can do a lot better this time and get my guy in the lead. All right, number 3, this one's for you.
All right, let's see. Who's betting on him falling? Who's betting on him falling? I got 5 spins. There you go. Let's kick that ball. All right. You gotta pick it up. Let's do this. Don't miss it.
Oh gosh.
Oh, you got the roll. You got to roll. You got to roll, man. That's not even cool. All right. I may have screwed up how far or close you are, so I'm sorry about that. But let's see how close he is. 2 yards. 40.8. 40.8 yards. All right. So it looks like I have to go again. And let's hope I don't puke on this one. So, all right. This one's golf with a tennis ball because, yeah, I'm not, the way I've been spinning, I'm not going to be able to hit a golf ball. So I'm gonna spin 15 times around on the golf club, and then I'm gonna try and hit it. Let's see if I can do like 60, 70 yards this time, so I can put this thing away. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You're going, you got 2 more. 14. And 1 more. All the way around and then go. Keep going. All right, just hit it. Ooh. Keep going. Oh no, I heard you hit it. No, that was a whiff. We have 0 yards.
That's
people.
0.1. That's 0.1.
0.
No.
It's okay. I mean, he won the first one pretty good. He's still ahead, but we got the lead now. So there was a whiff. I don't know if you guys heard it on camera, but it was 100% a whiff. We hit it just a little bit.
Now watch this. He's gonna hit it like 2 yards. I'm still up by like 20 yards. So let's do this. There you go. All right, let's miss it there, big fella. I heard a tick. And?
Ooh, just in bounds. Just a little.
No way. I think that counts as an out of bounder. No, that's cheating. Let's see. He's still not gonna get me. He's still not gonna get me. 28.1. Well, actually, pick it up. You cheater. He's trying to stand behind it. 28.1. All right. He's cheating. I think you got the lead by just a little bit. After this round, we'll let you guys know what the score is before I go first again. So, all right, guys. So the last round is kickball. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna roll the ball, and we're gonna kick it after our 15 spins. And if you miss it, you got to do 15 more spins and try again. So this might go on for a little bit. But we did promise you guys the scores before the last round. So right here above my thumb is Tim's score, and right here is mine. You can see I'm losing by a little bit, but there's still plenty of time when Tim whiffs like 8 times now. So I think we're gonna hit the white pole. So let's start spinning, and let's win this thing. Ready? Oh, that's so wet.
All right, so I kind of gave him an advantage there because he was way off the base. So I just rolled it to where he was because I felt bad. But we're gonna see how far he did. 34.3. So hopefully I can do better, and he gives me the same advantage.
All right, Tim's all the way over there, and we're all the way over here. That doesn't look that far. I don't know. We'll see who wins. All right, so let's line this up. All right, I think I got it, but here we go. All right, let's see. All right, let's take 10 steps forward. All right, we got 32.8. So we're gonna have to do some serious calculations to see who the winner is. But if you guys are good at math, you might already know. So give us a minute, and we're gonna do some math. Yeah.
All right, that was a lot of fun. I had fun.
Oh, I had a blast.
Yeah. But we just got a few minor injuries. No vomiting. We ate before this. We were a little worried, but
I did cut myself, but it's okay.
If you can't see, there's a bunch of standing water here, and with the cold weather, it's kind of iced over. So when you're dizzy, you can't see what's ice and what's not. So it made it fun. But we want to give a shout out to Dude Perfect for the video idea. I personally think we did a little better than them. A lot of them got negative yards or went out of bounds. So
I don't know.
If you guys want to challenge us, we'll be happy to kick your butts. But Chris is gonna give us the totals now, and we're gonna see who won what.
I don't know if I'd kick Dude Perfect's butt. I mean, they're pretty good. But so our totals are, as me, I am at 197.7 in total yards. Oh, he already knows. He already knows. And then he, of course, yes, golf got him the win with 209.4. Man, that ball, I think we need a recount because that was out of bounds. I think it was out of bounds. But so while there is a loser, the only loser out of this is unfortunately me. Because I, hurt myself, fell in the ice.
We don't get participation trophies here, but you guys, you both win.
Yeah, so number 3 and number 7 are our winners. And let's flip over to my little list. And Tim, let's tell us who number 3 is.
Number 3 is, these are YouTube usernames, by the way. So it's Spaguni. I'm sorry if I butchered that. you won first place and you won the gold Ratchet. And we hope you enjoy it. We think it's awesome. Whether you actually use it or wear it around your neck or put it on a mantle, that's up to you. We hope you have fun with this.
And make sure, like, when you get it, just make sure you send us a picture of it with you so that we know that you got it, all right? And then my winner is gonna be RL. So yeah, you didn't win the gold Ratchet, but you won this awesome Braun light that we use almost every week. This is the upgraded version. Ours only has 300 lumens of brightness, and I'll be honest, this thing is even more bright, even in the package, than ours. So this thing is gonna be a useful tool in your garage. So we'll kick it back to Tim for a real quick outro.
No, that's fine. Thank you again. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next Saturday when we continue to work on the truck.
Tim's still gonna lose. Ow!